Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the live broadcast of the Suju match in the Southern Song Dynasty. Today, we have a special exhibition match between men and women. Our female captain is wearing bow shoes and a high ching-nong, making it more convenient for her to kick the ball. She lightly stretches her sleeves. She performs a beautiful turn-the-universe move. The male player quickly steps forward and steals the ball, performing a double-shoulder back move. The female captain shows no weakness and performs a wind-swinging lotus move and then a dry land fish picking move. Amazing! Amazing!
Did you hold back in today's match?
No, I have already used all my strength. Playing Suju is much more exciting and attractive than embroidering poetry or nursing children in the boudoir. Follow your heart and do what you love. This is the good life we pursue.